It's been a while, but we're going to have HackerBox 0112 Gamelife. All right. Let's see. Have a Nintendo controller. Look what the circuit board looks like in here. Let's check out it. Mini HDMI cable. Some Nintendo controller ports. Some headers. Some port. And it, see, this is a it's not focusing. Some resistors. There we have a WaveShare RP2040. This is a Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 with an SD card slot, 10 headers, there's a battery connector, USB-C, HDMI, a lot of peripherals already included, instead of having to add a bunch of components to a Raspberry Pi Pico. So it's good. I have a few of those already. Here we have a 8x16 LED matrix from Adafruit. Charlie Plex bonnet. Has a 8GB micro SD card. And we have this board for the NES controller ports. In the header, so I'm assuming this will be a hat built for this guy. That's some random stickers. And the collectible HackerBox card 0112 Gamelife. And a pinout of the WaveShare board. Okay. Cook reference card. RP2040. Matrix Planet. Hi-hat. Pico-NE. SPCB. Sockets. Header. Game controller. SD card. HDMI cable. Axial lead resistor. Two SMD resistors and some two spares. And two random stickers. Should be out the online guide. All right. Conway's Gamelife on the Charlotte Flex. That would be a Matrix Planet. Okay. Interesting. So it looks like we're just going to be doing some basic soldering and running the Gamelife on this LED matrix. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Add resistors here. This side put up resistors. Okay. So this resistor is just to be sacrificed towards lead. Okay. So I just have to solder these two resistors to around 5 volts. Okay. So we use a Google. And then okay. Circuit Python. Game of Live. And the Pico-NES hat. Pico-NES. Which is what the HDMI cable is for. Okay. Pretty decent. So this one I can run the Game of Life on the LED matrix. And then I can put together the Pico NES board and run an NES emulator on there as well. The NES controller. I'm assuming I would need to put something on the micro SD card and connect it to the computer with this here HDMI cable. Pretty decent, pretty simple. So I'm gonna get started on putting everything together. Probably make another video when I'm done. All right, I will. All right, I finished putting everything together. There's the Tico NES board. Need to clean it up a little bit. Probably throw it in the ultrasonic to get this flux off, but never get these solder to look right on these header pins. I'll probably clean up a little bit later, but it's fine. It works. It doesn't really matter. But, here's what this looks like here. Those two resistors with that pin. Who wants to focus a bit? Yeah, there we go. So that turned out pretty well as well. Got the bonnet connected, and then running the scrolling text. Following the instructions from the instructable. So that works very well. I just have to reinstall Windows on this laptop, so I'm still getting the Arduino IDE set up and running so I can run the first step one, but I just skipped over this for now until I get this up and running. But you know, this is a scrolling text example here, and as you can see, I'm just gonna change this to it's hard to type in one hand. And then go ahead and save it. There we go. Okay, here I have this capture card set up to the HDMI port, camera app, the SD card in there with the files that I need. And there we have this on the screen. And I have the Tico NES board connected with the controller connected. And voila. Everything seems to be working just fine. I got everything put together, everything's soldered up. I just need to clean up the boards a little bit, get the flux off, but all the code looks good. All the code's working, and the examples and whatnot. But yeah, everything was great. This is a pretty simple one to put together. Less soldering than some other ones that I've had in the past, but pretty decent enough, you know. I had fun with it. Tinker around with it a little bit. You know, try to see what else works on here. See what I can get the little screen to do. See if I can get the Gamelife to last a bit longer, all that good stuff. But yeah, this is a pretty decent one as well. Yeah, like HackerBox. Yeah. Thanks for watching, I guess.